dink, dink, dink. This is my brother and his wife and my niece. He wanted to be in a video.
Not our kid.
Yeah, well, we're hiking now. We got these dogs. Those are their dogs back there. You're in the way, dude. You're gonna cause an accident. Hiking down in the pasture. Oh. Doggos. No. Hey, it's Friday probably now, and I'm headed up to kayak with Casey again. We're gonna do the Lower Kinney. Got our kayaking camping trip scheduled up for the Wisconsin River next weekend. We're gonna do 3 days paddling along down there. So that's why there's so much kayaking. Casey got a new kayak. Kayaking's fun. We're paddling and practicing, getting everything kind of built up for kayak camping. Alright, I was going to end the video, but I just got a notification that there is a tornado warning for Pierce County. So, I decided to jump in the car and see if we can't go find it. It's radar indicated, so it's not likely that there's an actual tornado on the ground. It's basically just south of where I am and moving north. So it's right in here, but this is I think it's going to be a really rainy storm. So I don't think I'll be able to see it anyway. Yeah, so there's this good line of storms that's coming right over us here. And so there's some radar indicated rotation in this storm, and we're going to be keeping an eye on it to try to see what we can find. There's also a nice supercell behind us, which is, I think this is what would produce it if anything does. So we're going to get out of the way of it. Well, the storms didn't shape up into anything crazy good, but there was some damage that I saw. Then we got this cool weather afterwards. Still a pretty heavy thunderstorm going there. And we got this mud river flowing.